Culture is integrated. By integrated means there is a chain. One thing follows the other. All aspects of culture are interrelated. They all continue because of one thing following the other. It is important to understand various parts of culture to know a culture fully. That means it is not so that if you know the language of a community, that means you know the whole culture. Even one aspect of the culture of a particular community would be really a time task to know how this language is being used in this group. Which words are used when you are greeting? Which words are used when you are showing annoyance to somebody? So all these things, even the one aspect of language would take a great time to do the task. Similarly, not only language, habits, daily routines, lifestyles, eating habits, sleeping habits, marriages, births, deaths, all the methods to do all these things, all the behaviors, young people, old people, children, how do they spend their life, what type of education they like to have, what type of professions they like to adopt, what is their style of spending money, what are their economic values, do they want to just collect money and not spend it, or maybe they like to have money spent on charity projects, maybe they have to build up economic development by giving boost to higher businesses. So all these things are actually part of the culture of a particular community. But all these things are integrated. How do we eat links to how do we live? What are our healthy traits that we care for? Our health relates to our jobs. What jobs can we do by having this state of health? The jobs are then related to the economy of that particular group or community. What are we going to earn and what are we going to save and what are we going to spend after earning this much of money? What is the capital income of the group or the community? All these things are linked. How is the progress taking place in the community? Are they working on big economic projects or are they going for small businesses? Are the businesses being done at home or do they have a very professional attitude of making their business totally external from domestic? All these things are again linked to the culture, integrated and also having a thought of sharing the culture in the community and keeping it distinct from the other. Are the women participating in the development of the country, the society, and the community? Are the women not allowed to participate in the development, especially with regards to the economic growth? So all these things will be linked to one another. It is said that where the cultures are being encouraged to make every member of the society work and every member is contributing to the society, those societies are taken to be advanced societies. So once they are taken to be advanced societies, then they are linked with more independent societies. Once they are linked with more independent societies, then it is expected that the economic growth would be faster in that particular community or society compared to those where every member is not participating in the economic growth of the community or the society.